I want to condemn the awful scenes we saw in Citywest last night. One far-right account in advance of the riot posted online, quote, "Citywest IPAS centre needs to be stormed." That was the clear goal last night, to overrun the accommodation centre. This wasn't done to protect children or the community, even if that's what the organisers claimed to the people they brought along with them. The organisers were intent on sowing chaos. It was done to whip up fear, create division, and terrify vulnerable people. I want to commend Gardaí for containing the violence and bringing it under control. Taoiseach, the alleged sexual assault of a 10-year-old girl who is supposed to be in the care of the state is shocking on so many levels. My thoughts are with her and her family. People all across the country are rightly horrified. Taoiseach, the alleged perpetrator, is now in jail. He was not in Citywest last night, but innocent men, women and children were. Vulnerable international protection applicants who have every right to be here, all of whom would have been terrified by the riot outside. Many, no doubt, now living in fear. Taoiseach, I know after the last riots in Dublin that many children of colour didn't turn up to school across the city the next day. They were afraid to leave their homes, afraid that their skin colour would make them a target. You have to imagine that that's happening again today. People of colour, all over the city, now scared and on high alert. I wonder how children who are living in Citywest are feeling today. I wonder how many of them felt safe enough to go to school. It is disgusting that an alleged sexual assault on one vulnerable child has resulted in other children being terrorised. Taoiseach, last night's rioting was orchestrated by far-right actors online. They peddle racist myths that international protection applicants are more prone to crimes against women and children. They openly incite violence and celebrate it when it happens. While they spread their dangerous and divisive disinformation online, there is an onus on everyone in this chamber to counter that rhetoric. We must use language carefully and factually, continually point out that there is no link between migration and crime, counter racist innuendo about asylum seekers, and highlight that the vast majority of deportation orders have nothing to do with public safety concerns. They're issued because people do not meet the very narrow criteria to make a successful asylum application.